Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can see here in this video there are underwater animals and inhabitants like reefs, corals, and many different colors of fishes are present here in this island under sea water. You can see this is sea animal. Some corals are dead, some corals are alive. You can see what a beautiful these corals are. This is brain shaped coral. You can see here. This is brain shaped coral. Some corals are like potato corals. Potato coral shape is just like potato. And some this is sea animal, which is dancing. That is sea animals. And there are so many beautiful fishes are there. Some fishes are called angel fishes. This is blue fishes here. Some fishes are in yellow colors, and that fishes look very beautiful. Looks very beautiful. You can see here all the fishes, and these are dead corals, which is all down in the sea.